Examples of errors in the sentences. Incorrect sentence. I play basketball good. Correct sentence is I play basketball well. Incorrect sentence. I am very much sorry. Correct sentence is I am very sorry. Incorrect sentence. He runs fastly. Correct sentence is he runs fast. Incorrect sentence. He reached at the station. Correct sentence is he reached the station. Incorrect sentence. What's the time in your watch? Correct sentence is what's the time by your watch? Incorrect sentence. I have many works to do. Correct sentence. I have much work to do.